Hey there, welcome to my channel. So this is the first video of a series on affiliate marketing basics. I'll be sharing with you guys the basics and key things you need to know so you can start making money with this business. So keep watching and make sure you follow all the videos of the series. Okay, so today we'll break down the concept of affiliate marketing, the key players involved, the things to watch out for when you're choosing a product to promote, and I'm going to show you how the process of affiliate marketing works. Okay, so let's start. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to sell products online using commission-based sale representatives. There are two main parties, the product creator and the product promoter, known as an affiliate marketer. Affiliates use their online presence to promote products and earn a commission for each sale they make. Here's how the process works. The product is created and marketing materials are prepared. Then affiliates are recruited and the product is launched. Affiliates promote the product, make sales, and receive commissions from the product creator. For product creators, it's not just about recruiting affiliates and watching sales come in. They must ensure the product is of high quality. They must provide excellent promotional materials, manage sales order, and pay commissions. It's usual for product creator to set up a sales funnel that looks like this one. There's a cheap offer to begin with, a front-end offer. This is followed up by a more expensive offer, the upsell offer, and there might be an option to join a membership, for instance, for a monthly fee called a membership offer. And finally, there will be a high-price, high-value offer, the back-end one. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you have a great opportunity to promote products without the hassle of creating them yourself. Your job is to choose a product you believe in, build an online following, and promote the product to your audience. Then you will receive a commission on all sales attributed to your leads. To be successful, you need to make sure your income from commissions outweighs your expenses. Many affiliates struggle with this as they may spend too much on tools, training, and ads without earning enough in return. The key is to promote products with a good commission structure and a long-term potential. So to do this, you should ask yourself some important questions. First one, does the commission match your effort? Do you get paid on all levels of the sales funnel? Is there an opportunity for receivable income? Will you earn more commissions on future sales? Remember, being an affiliate marketer is about attracting traffic to your platform, your blog, your social media page, your website, building trust with your audience, and presenting valuable offers. Once you got this, it's just rinse and repeat. So remember, affiliate marketing is a way to sell products online involving a product creator and a product promoter, also known as affiliate marketer. As affiliate marketer, you don't need to create a product. You just need to make a sale and receive commissions from the product's creator. In order to do this, there are tons of ways to use your online presence as an affiliate marketer and make a commission for each sale that you make. And that's it. That's the basics. That's the key concepts you need to know to start. I hope you find this useful. Remember to check my social media accounts and the link I have in my channel for a free detailed guide on how to get started. If you have any questions, leave them on the comment section. And if you like this video and want to learn more ways on how to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn all the notifications so you don't miss anything of the content that I'll be sharing. Thanks for watching. And as always, let's make things happen. Bye.